Grand awakening, Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic, and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me, a really good massage. Check out my music, the NFTs, the ebooks, great products are there. Your word of the day is the voice of your heart. I need you to listen to yourself. What is the contents of the lyrics? Listen to yourself because you're in the game. Don't worry about commenters, spectators, family, friends, foes. You're in the game, but you're winning. They're just watching. I silence the fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. The fruits of these words guides me and I trust the song of my soul. Sing it full-heartedly because only you know the beat, the rhythm, and the context of this song because you're born this way. Original. You're going to leave that way. Sing your song. Make sure that you're remembered. I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to the path of light. So light up the world, baby. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.